Ever scrolled through Instagram or the top, and you've ended up on a page where you've spent hours watching every single video?
Well, if you have ever stumbled upon Creative Explained with Armin and Damien, you know what I mean. He's got 5 million followers on TikTok alone who love his clever hacks, just like this one.
If you spill wine on yourself, just heat up some milk in a pot or microwave. Soak the wine stain in the milk for about 10 minutes. The wine starts to stick to the fats in the milk, and then, boom, stain gone.
What?
Wait, boom! Armin!
What's up, guys?
This is
Armin.
awesome.
It is.
We love a hack.
Yes.
We love cleaning, and we actually just saw that Jennifer Garner posted your wine remover hack.
She did.
The boiling milk?
Yes, she did. And she's trying to help us, people around the world. I'm trying to help people, and together we're able to help even more people.
Well, let's go. What's your first hack? What you got here?
So the first hack here is, over time, the gunk gets built up in your shower head.
Yeah.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Put it inside of a Ziploc bag, or any kind of plastic bag.
I love Ziploc.
Fill it with
What is that?
vinegar. Fill it with some vinegar.
Fill it?
Yep.
And then what?
And then if you can't get the head out, you can just tie it.
Oh, okay.
With a rubber band.
Yeah.
But leave it there for an hour, and all the gunk will come out, and it'll act as new.
So when it comes out, you can actually
you can see
it?
it.
The gunk you love.
Satisfying.
Vinegar is magic.
Okay.
That's
Gonna leave this in
awesome.
here.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Now, what is this?
Oh, that kind of pan that's so gross. I got one of those.
We all do.
Yeah.
This happens.
Yeah.
You want to get rid of this really easy without
Yeah.
chemical use.
What are you doing?
Just
Lemons.
lemons in there, some
like
baking soda.
Baking soda does
Boom.
everything.
Oh.
And then vinegar, of course.
Vinegar.
And hear the
Oh,
sizzle.
Wait. It's not the stove is not on.
Nope, it's not. It's
This
just
is just-
vinegar and,
Okay, so
and
now
baking
what's
soda.
happening
Then
here?
you turn it on for 5-10 minutes.
Turn the stove on?
Yep, bring it to
Low?
boil.
Oh.
And then after that, it'll come right off. No
Just
scrubbing.
wipe it out. No scrubbing.
No scrubbing.
What does the lemons do?
The lemons have acidity,
Yeah.
just like vinegar, and leaves a nice scent.
Oh,
So.
look at that. You can see it bubbling
Yeah,
around.
exactly.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm kind of
try
turned
that.
on by that. Okay, next.
The next on, if you have stainless steel,
Yes.
anything stainless steel,
Yes.
you want to get it to shine, just grab a lime.
Okay, grab a lime.
Squeeze it a little bit so you get the juices going.
Yeah.
Dip it in some baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yep.
Let's
and
see
then
what you're
just
doing.
scrub like this.
No.
And then
Wait.
wipe it.
Wipe it.
Yep.
see.
It'll be shiny as new, as you can see.
So that's it?
Yeah,
Wow,
that's it.
look at that. You want to try
Well,
it?
yes,
Hoda
I
wants
do.
to try
Go
it.
ahead.
What do you do? Oh, squeeze
Let's
it.
see how dirty
Hold
that is
on.
here. Clean
Yep.
that.
Hold on. Hold that.
Feels like an
It's
exfoliant.
like magic.
I love, I think that's the thing about this whole thing, Armin. It does feel like a magic trick.
It does. And that's what's so
see.
Look at
fascinating.
it shining and glistening.
And it's great for faucets, sink faucets.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yeah,
little
or even the
stains.
stainless steel
I love that.
Yes,
Look at that.
absolutely.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, what should we do with this Pam spray?
This is my favorite. So, when you measure out honey or any of the sticky
Yeah.
stuff, this is what happens. It
Okay.
just gets stuck.
In the
Shoot.
bottom, and you got to scrape it.
Exactly.
So,
No. I know what you're going to do. I know it.
What do we do
You're
here?
gonna
Do you wanna
spray
do
the
it?
Yes, I do. Spray the Pam on the bottom. I love Pam.
Spray it.
Just a little, right?
Yep. And then we
Is that
Did I
all
put
you
enough?
need?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, so-
And then we put the honey in.
Okay.
Right?
This is
Just gonna do a little
brilliant.
bit here. But then look.
I think I didn't spray enough. I didn't spray enough.
No. Okay, it's coming right off. But you get the point, see?
I didn't spray it all through.
I think
Okay.
it can, see,
No, but
actually,
see,
this is a
wherever
great
I sprayed
experiment.
it.
Yep.
Look where it is,
That's the place I didn't spray, the one spot.
and then
Yeah.
where she didn't spray.
But it's clean as a whistle where I did.
Pretty much the honey or whatever syrup just slides off.
That's great.
sliding.
And it works the same
Does it
for...
taste? Does it change the taste?
No, it doesn't. No, not at all.
I love
Okay.
this big
Do
hunk
it.
of cheese.
Wait, just do it. You do it.
Okay.
Spray it down. I'm going to spray it better.
Spray it. You know how the cheese gets stuck to the grater?
Yes.
Okay.
Not anymore. It doesn't.
Not anymore.
Well, let's
Check
see.
it out.
Hope you like your cheese with a side of Pam.
But wait,
So this
look.
makes the cleaning a lot easier.
Look at that.
Let me see how it
Nothing gets
tastes.
Wait,
stuck.
what?
Like Pam.
No, does it taste good?
No, it tastes good.
It's good.
Nothing gets stuck to the grater.
Look at that. Brilliant.
Let's not waste
Oh, wait,
one
one more. We
morsel.
got it. Okay, what's happening here?
Tea
Okay.
bags, tea bags.
Tea bags are awesome, not just for drinking tea,
Yeah.
but, especially in this heat
Yeah.
in New York right
Yeah.
now, your shoes will smell. So
Yeah.
if you stick one tea bag in each overnight, the tea bags will absorb the odor.
What?
How amazing
That's
is that?
it?
That's it. Dry
That's it.
tea bag, not you.
Dry tea bag, not
Okay,
me.
next.
Dry
What
tea
about the
bag.
wet
Last
tea
one.
bag?
Okay,
Here we go.
if you get some hot water and you take a tea bag and you dip it in it,
Yeah, then
you
what?
can get your screens or
No.
mirrors.
Are you sure?
Yes, you can clean them.
Whose computer is that?
Not yours.
Mine. You can leave them streak-free. Just wipe,
Wipe.
What if the tea's coming out? Does that matter?
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen, but it happened.
Fine, fine.
So then just wipe
it off.
and it'll leave it streak-free. I
And
like to use
does the
coffee
same
filters.
over here?
Same thing with this. Yeah, go ahead. And then we'll
Wow,
use...
that's satisfying. Look how clean that screen is.
Wait, use a coffee filter to wipe it?
Yeah, that's what I like to do, but then it works.
I like this micro.
Let's see.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, use your micro.
Here, let's just do the micro because look at this. Yes, yes. Wow.
Boom, streak-free. It's crazy.
By the way,
That
no
was
wonder
fun.
why you have 5 million followers on Insta. It
Y'all,
makes total sense.
thank you
so much.
Norman.
Great.